Hello, Idksterling. Idksterling the Boxer, dog. Come here, boy. Come here, Idksterling. You're my best friend. Best friend forever, Idksterling. You're my best friend. Best friend forever. You're my best friend. Idksterling, you wanna go outside? You wanna go watch TV? Idksterling, you wanna watch TV, Idksterling? Idksterling loves watching TV. He loves laying on the couch being like a lazy boy. Idksterling the lazy boy. I love my lazy boy. He's the best lazy boy ever. The best lazy boy ever. He's the best lazy boy ever. Best lazy boy ever. Best lazy boy ever. You're the best lazy boy ever.